Shenzhen Furisa Technology Company Limited is a leading cable assembly and wiring harness manufacturing company with over 20 years of experience. We specialize in providing customized cable assemblies and connector solutions for various industries, including consumer electronics, AR, VR, MR device, Internet of Things, IoT devices, medical devices, drone, UAV, surveillance and security, automotive industry, machine vision technology, military and aerospace. Our mission is to provide reliable quality products with superior customer service and unbeatable lead times so we can help our customers succeed. With ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 13485 certifications proving our commitment to excellent standards, FRS Technology stands ready to meet your every need.